What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a PUMA account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for PUMA. Now scroll down over the ads and click on their official site. It should look like this. And at the top you have a icon that looks like a human. You click on register here. Click on that. And now you can create your account. They're gonna ask you for your first name, so make sure you fill that in. Then fill in your last name. Now you guys need an email, so if you have one already, put it in here. Good. Now create your password. Okay, now after you've done all of that, click create account. And you're good to go. Obviously here you can set the payments that you would like to choose. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can click my account, add your favorite clothing, favorite shoes, whatever. That's pretty much it. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.